Thirds of a century, Burndy Corporation has been the pioneer in electrical connector design. With more than 1,000 patents, manufacturing facilities in over 10 countries, and offices in more than 60 countries, Burndy is the world's largest single manufacturer of connectors for the electrical construction industry. Our products are used in generating plants, on transmission lines, in substations, overhead and underground distribution, as well as in the wiring of commercial and industrial installations. Since connectors are Burndy's only business, we established the first laboratory dedicated solely to the testing and development of electrical connectors. We introduced the original concept of a total connection system. Burndy developed the first forged split bolt connector, the first connector compound for reliable connection to aluminum conductor, the first line of compression connectors, and the patented triangular penetration technology to satisfy the new UL 486B requirements. By following Burndy's tradition of recognizing the physical and financial needs of the electrical contractor, we've applied our engineering expertise to small compression terminals and splices. The results are cost-effective innovations geared to the control circuits used in machinery, automotive, appliances, and computers. Everyday applications require both insulated and uninsulated connectors. An indent crimp is ideal for uninsulated or bare connectors. However, the indent may pierce and destroy the jacket of insulated terminals and splices. Because space may not permit an electrician to carry two crimping tools, Burndy developed the Y10D High Tool, the one installation tool which provides a circumferential crimp for insulated connectors and an indent crimp for bare terminals and splices. The Y10D provides UL-listed installations for the complete range of number 22 through number 10 gauge conductors. Because competitive designs require one tool for insulated and a second tool for uninsulated installations, Burndy's Y10D is definitely the one tool to carry. The Y10D has other features too. A precision cutting edge, extra wide comfortable handles, greater mechanical advantage, and a color-coded handle to indicate the side of the indenter. When you consider that the Y10D costs substantially less than purchasing two competitive tools, it's also the contractor's most cost-effective choice. In addition to the Y10D, Burndy offers an array of installation tooling, including multifunction tools and full-cycle ratchet tools to ensure a uniform installation time after time. Superior installation tooling is only the beginning of Burndy's small high-dent story. Our terminals and splices have features that are unmatched by competitive products. They're made of tin-plated high-conductivity electrolytic copper with deep serrations in the barrel to resist pull-out. They also feature a funneled entry for ease of wire insertion. Unlike conventional designs, which can easily be damaged by an off-center crimp, Burndy's terminals feature a one-piece body construction with a fully brazed seam to prevent folding and splitting. Burndy's unique design also features an integral insulation support, and our manufacturing techniques ensure that our insulation cannot be twisted off. All Burndy splices feature a one-piece tubular construction, which eliminates the possibility of folding or splitting seams. Since there are no seams, Burndy splices can be crimped anywhere around the barrel. For side-by-side installation in industrial or oily applications, Burndy offers a full line of nylon-insulated terminals. Nylon is better suited to these environments because oil will attack vinyl insulations. For identification, Burndy terminals and splices follow the NEMA color coding system. red to indicate number 22 through number 18 gauge wire, blue for number 16 through 14, and yellow to designate that the connector will accommodate number 12 through number 10 gauge wire. In addition, the wire size is clearly embossed into the terminal body. Burndy's nylon insulated terminals incorporate the features discussed before, such as one-piece construction, integral insulation support, funneled entry, and a long neck to facilitate multiple stacking of terminals. When crimped with a Y10D or one of our ratchet tools, they provide UL-listed installations. These connectors are easy to specify. In this part number, the T designates a terminal. The next digit, N, indicates that this terminal is insulated with nylon for industrial or oily applications. The maximum wire size that can be handled by the terminal is specified next. This terminal will accommodate number 16 and 14 gauge conductor. To complete the part number, a stud size ranging from number 2 to 3/8 of an inch must also be specified. In the Burndy numbering system, a ring tongue terminal is assumed unless a suffix is added. If a fork tongue terminal was required here, we would simply add the suffix F. Splices also follow the same numbering system. Here we are designating a splice with nylon insulation to accommodate a number 10 gauge wire. A splice has no tongue, therefore no additional designation is necessary to complete the part number. Burndy's nylon insulated splices feature a seamless tubular construction and positive insulation grip. Unlike butted seam designs, Burndy splices can be crimped anywhere around the barrel without concern of splitting or folding seams. These splices also feature a transparent sleeve and large inspection window, enabling the electrician to easily inspect wire insertion. For applications that don't require a positive insulation grip, the economical YSC splices can be specified. Burndy offers a complete line of uninsulated lugs and splices which are easily installed with the indent crimp of the Y10D high tool. Simply place the terminal into the tool. Insert the conductor and crimp. The indent can be placed directly on the brazed seam or on the back. To avoid the possibility of seam damage, we recommend crimping on the back of the terminal with the tongue perpendicular to the indent. Uninsulated terminals are specified in a similar manner to our insulated terminals. However, the insulation digit is omitted. In this example, we have an uninsulated terminal that will handle a number 10 gauge wire. As indicated, this terminal will accommodate a 3/8 inch stud. For applications where vinyl insulation is suitable, Burndy offers a complete line of color-coded polyvinyl chloride insulated terminals and splices. These connectors accommodate number 22 through number 16, number 16 and 14 gauge conductors, as well as 12 and 10 gauge wires. Burndy's vinyl insulated connectors feature an expanded insulation to accommodate standard and heavier wire insulations without requiring additional inventories. Using Burndy's numbering system, these connectors are easy to specify also. Here we have a terminal with polyvinyl chloride insulation, which will accommodate number 12 through number 10 gauge wires. This terminal is designed for a number 8 stud. As with nylon terminals, a ring tongue is assumed if nothing else is specified. Burndy vinyl lugs, however, offer a wide variety of tongue variations, such as a fork tongue designated by the suffix F, a locking fork designated LF, and a flanged fork designated by suffix Z. A vinyl insulated splice would be designated like this: S for splice, P for polyvinyl chloride insulation, and the wire size that can be accommodated, in this example, a number 14. As with our nylon insulated splices, Burndy vinyl